Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. Here I would like to explore these engineering terms. 1. Area. 2. Centroid. These are specific to 2D shapes. 3. Volume. 4. Center of gravity or center of mass. These are specific to 3D solids.
Let's look at the definitions of these four terms. These are the simple definitions. The fourth one, center of gravity. On Earth's surface, center of gravity and center of mass are same. I will split this into part 1 and part 2. So this is part 1, which will be on area and centroid. Some reference pics for centroid. A reference pic for area. The 5 basic 2D shapes which I would like to explore: square, rectangle, circle, semicircle and triangle. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. To begin with, these are the 5 basic 2D sketches sketched in a 3D CAD. Then it is transformed into 5 planar 2D surfaces which I would work with. The 5 basic 2D shapes created in a 3D tool like SolidWorks. Here the square is using the default origin and I have created new coordinate systems for rectangle, circle, semicircle and triangle. Let's open the drawing and let's look at the dimensions of these 5 2D shapes. All dimensions in millimeters. Let's explore area and centroid calculation for these with formulas and with a 3D tool like SolidWorks and cross-check the answers. Area and centroid formulas for a square and calculations is here. Area 2500, centroid 25,25 and it's calculated in SolidWorks with section properties tool which matches exactly. Area and centroid formulas for the rectangle and it's calculated. Area 4000 mm square, centroid 25,40. Let's check this in SolidWorks now by using section properties tool. And the answers matching exactly. Area and centroid formulas for a circle. Area of a circle 1963.5 mm square, centroid 25,25. Checking this in SolidWorks now with section properties tool. And the answers matching exactly. Area and centroid formulas for the semicircle. Area calculated is 981.75 mm square and centroid 25,10.61. Let's check this in SolidWorks with a section properties tool for the semicircle. And the answers matching exactly. And finally, area and centroid formulas for a triangle. Calculated area is 2161.5 mm square and centroid is 25,28.82. Similarly as before, checking this in SolidWorks for the triangle. And the answers matching exactly. This is about my certifications. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.